Hi guys, so today's video is going to be a vacation cook with me. How to save money while you're on vacation, especially a Disney vacation, because they are so expensive. Without having to do a huge amount of work, and you still get good food. So this little shelf right here was perfect for my crock pot. And so that's where I just set it up. We kept kind of all the food in the kitchen area except for the bread. I laid it on top of one of the dressers in there so it wouldn't get squished because I ran out of room in the kitchen. Go figure. Anyway, so yeah, we're going to do the shepherd's pie. It's going to be super quick and easy because we already did all the prep work before we ever left the house with the meat.